Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm excited to show you how to build a simple chatbot using just pure Python with our APIsWitch platform. That's right, no external libraries needed. And also, this is 100% free. No OpenAI API key required for this. We'll be keeping things super clean and easy. And you'll have your chatbot running in just 3 main steps. First, we create an account on the APIsWitch platform. Next, we generate a free API key through our platform. And finally, we copy a code snippet from the docs. And just like that, your chatbot is ready to reply to your questions.
Let's get started. First, go to apiswitch.netlife.e.app and create a free account. And then create an API key for free. Now, click on the Docs button to open the documentation page, where you can find the Python code. Next, open your IDE or code editor. Paste the Python code and watch your chatbot come to life. If you run into any errors, you can reach out to us easily. Plus, our APIsWitch platform also supports image recognition, file handling, text-to-speech, and even live streaming features. And that's it. You've just created your first chatbot using APIsWitch. Simple, fast, and all in pure Python. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to check out more features on our platform and reach out if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and happy coding.